Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing yet another beautiful Chevrolet Malibu. This particular model, 1967. Boy, is she outstanding. So we'll take a little bit of time today to understand exactly what this lady has to offer. I've got her running. I just came back from the test drive. It's actually a local car for us. I've known this car personally for the last 5 years. It's part of the decision-making process when he bought it. Not from us, but he has renovated this car over the last 5 years, taken her to the next level. And I was surprised. He said that he bought another car. He wanted to sell this car. I'm for him thankful because this is one outstanding Malibu. You can tell by the paint and body, this is fresh just in the last couple years. It presents as such. Very few, if any, flaws in the paint. So finished well on the inside. Just in June, he installed that tilt steering column. Vintage heat and air. Power steering, power disc brakes. Overdrive transmission. Most importantly, the heartbeat, this 350 Chevrolet engine. There's a GM crate motor with less than 7,000 miles on the engine. EFG 15-inch rallies. Local Chevrolet dealership repainted this car. They're known for quality work. Tip-on rear there. Cars are stored top to bottom. Again, documentation is key. In the trunk. The trunk mat is up. I don't really like these rubber mats. They tend to hold water. But the best part, let's see if I can find the front page. New motor. So I guess they got 10,000 miles on it, excuse me. So there you go, oil changes. 15-16 miles per gallon. Then the receipts. The radio, the carburetor, the intake. You see the column shifter there. Different parts there. So we're going to change oil. There's the paint swatch. It's great to see documentation such as this on any car. I'm going to change oil for you. Have that ready just for the next one. Not sure if it's due quite yet. Make sure it's clean. And it is. Super square foot on it, no harm, no foul. Cooling fans, let's get under the hood here. Here's a 136 car, again, Malibu, Auto Super Sport. Seems everyone wants to make these a Super Sport. aluminum in the right places, ambient radiator. We built this car to drive, and we've driven it, and it sure doesn't look like it. Gosh, it's beautiful. Yes, we'll buzz it down the road. We'll get that exhaust tone for you. All your lights, wipers, air, everything functions as it's supposed to. Air. Come on there. There's a compressor. Horn. Wooden Grant wheel. I did it, chrome column. Turn that off, there's no need, it's 60 degrees. So this is an overdrive automatic transmission. There we go. So here we are at our main dealership. Now this is just a padded dash cover there. The dash underneath is perfect. This is our main store where all the cars get videoed, detailed, and photographed before they're passed to you. This is my 20th year making videos such as this for customers all over the world. It's so exciting for me and a joy. Straight that goes down the road. No hands there. The sun is brutal. Let's see if we go like this. Maple Drive. You noticed in the paperwork there, he's getting anywhere from 15 to 17 miles per gallon as he recorded the mileage, fuel economy. What a nice driving car, goodness. If you've been looking for a 67, I don't know where you find a nice one for the money anywhere. And I'm a Ford guy. Go figure. Go through the years one more time. Gauges function. Right. AutoWorld of Conway, 1967 Malibu. Walk around, test drive. Man, here at AutoWorld, we always have good cars for good people.